Alright guys, welcome to my humble garage. As you can see, there's still a lot of mess. There's still a lot of things that I gotta fix and set up. But as you guys know, there has been a lot of activity in the neighborhood. They're rebuilding our roofs. I'm gonna go check out what it's like to be, on the rooftops and see what that's like. It is a really cool time. I'm going to try to move as slowly as possible so people don't completely go out of their minds and puke. It's not safe for anybody to do what I'm doing right now, so kids don't try this at home. First, I'm going to show you what it's like being out there. Here it is. It is incredible. But we're gonna go on the roof, which again, I do not suggest anybody do, because it's dangerous, super dangerous. So don't go and do what I do right now. Alright, so before I go outside, let me talk about something. Outside you're gonna find a ladder, and you're gonna find a big trash can. So if you fall off the ladder, you go straight into compost, and problem solved. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Mostly kidding. All right, let's go. All right, got two ladders. And there it is, trash can for compost. Let's go and see what's up there. Is this safe? No, it's not. Don't do this. Don't do this yourselves, kids. This is really not safe. I'm gonna put the camera up here so you guys can see what's going on. If I fall, well, that'll be the end of my videos. Oh boy. That was dumb. Check out how cool it is. Let me show you how cool it is up here. We'll go check out the orange tree. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Later I'm gonna go and do some cleanup over here. Look at this. It's pretty awesome up here. Wow. Oh my god. I wonder what happens. Oh my god. It's the new roofs. It's kind of beautiful. I'm not sure I want to go all the way up. You could do like crazy time. Is it safe? I don't know. How slippery is it? No, not slippery. It's not that slippery. Not slippery. Wow. Slow, brother, slow. Slow, slow. Slow, brother, slow. Whoa, I lost the shoe already. That's not good. I lost the shoe. Check it out. Slow. 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 Wooden shoe. This is so cool. Isn't that beautiful?